Hello traders, welcome back to the channel and I hope you are all doing great. And let me tell you, this market is full of crap, right? And I don't know what is the reason market has to move so much. And if you see in the April series, from the start of April series itself, Nifty has moved more than 1000 points and Bank Nifty has moved more than 2500 points. At the same period, if I show you the Dow Jones, which is a major index, this is the Dow Jones chart. This is the Dow Jones chart from April series. If you see from April series, how much it has moved from around 32,000 to now it is sitting somewhere around 33,600. Now, what is the market capitalization of indices like Dow Jones, and what is the market capitalization of Nifty? It is not even, it's peanuts, but Dow Jones is not moving, but Nifty is moving 1000 points. I really don't know how these people, all because of only one reason. And you know what is the reason? There is no reason at all, zero reason the market has to go. And only reason I find why the market is going higher is because of FIIs. FIIs have reduced their short position hugely, and FIIs are none other than our brothers and sisters who are taking out the money illegally from India and bringing it in the form of FIIs. Maybe they would they will have some FII shell companies in tax havens. They bring it this way, other way around. I really don't know what is the matter with these people. The market has to consolidate. If it keeps on moving in one direction, and you know what is the bad? There was a bad news yesterday. There was a like if you are following the U.S. market, there was core inflation data which was on the higher side, but it was not too much high, but it was on a positive note, and market had taken that as a positive thing, and market was moving on the higher side. But 11:30 p.m. my FOMC minute was out, and all the FOMC people were expecting that the Federal Reserve is not going to stop, and whatever proxy or whatever data which has come out is not satisfying, and they might increase the interest rate by 50 basis point, and they are indicating a mild recession. In spite of all this bad news, and Dow Jones yesterday, US markets ended in the green. Even though after this data came, it was in the green. Yesterday the close was in the red. In spite of all this news, in spite of mild recession, in spite of FOMC indicating that there is going to be a 50 basis point hike, Nifty is rallying around 1000 points, 1200 points, and Bank Nifty is rallying around 2500 points. Such a crap this market is. I really don't know what to say what to say. If I say anything, if I say in my local language, it is going to be a very bad word. Why I'm talking like this is because you find it very hard to manage. Market is keep on traveling in one direction. India VIX is very low. You don't have premiums to make adjustment, and if you take weekly options, it is very worst. You cannot even manage. And you know what is the combined today morning? Had you taken a straddle, combined premium will not be more than 50 rupees, and market is moving 150 points from how much? If you see the Nifty itself, so I'll go to Nifty chart, and if you see the Nifty chart, this is not Nifty, this is open interest. We'll talk about this later. If you see the Nifty chart today alone, how much is the swing? Today it opened, it gapped down at around how much? 17,800 level. It tried to go to above 17,800, came all the way to 17,029, then closed at around 17,841. You are collecting a net premium of 50 rupees, but the market is moving 150 points. How do you manage? Of course, I'm not an intraday trader, or I'm not an expiry day trader, but I'm feeling like, I'm thinking like how these people are managing these trades. As a swing trader, I'm finding it very hard to manage this position. If you are an intraday trader, I really don't know, or if you are an algo trader, I really don't know how you are managing the position. And as I talk to you, Dow Jones is almost super flat. I really don't know what is going to happen on Monday. Tomorrow is a holiday due to Ambedkar Jayanti, and I really need to thank Dr. Ambedkar for giving us super excellent politicians like this who are very tolerant. They don't really care about retailers. They don't really care about poor people. Anyway, if I go deep into that, I will be the people will start telling I'm talking politics. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. And as I told you, FIIs have reduced their position drastically. Now, if you are following us, we have been following future index short positions of FIIs for the last 10 or 15 trading session, and they have reduced it almost half, more than half, 50%. Now with just 10 or 7 trading sessions before, there were 166,000 short contracts. Now it has reduced to 89,430 active short contracts. So they have reduced it by 50%, but at the same time they have not increased the long contract. Now I will tell you, honestly speaking, I have positions, I have short positions. I had short positions until now. I haven't touched, and if you see my terminal, it is all showing in the red. There is no reason, and for one or other reason, I don't know why I'm not managing. I believe, or my instinct says, which might go wrong, is saying that the market may not go up further, or it is like flying like there is no tomorrow, in spite of zero good news. So you have to have a positive news, then the market goes on the higher side. Then we agreed, there is no denial that there is some positive news. All there is left is only negative news, and the market wants to keep on rallying in spite of yesterday's negative news also. So we really don't know how the Monday market is going to open, so we'll have to wait and see. And if you see the FII DII data, you will be surprised. FIIs have just bought for around 221 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 273 crores. So we'll see how things pan out. What I think is market may try to come down, market may retrace whatever this 1,000-point move, even in March series, whole March series. I'm talking about whole March series. Low to high was not 1,000 points. Now from in April series alone, we have crossed more than 1,000 points. If you compare with March and April, March whole month swing was not more than 1,000 points, but April series we have crossed more than 1,000 points. So this is all indication that if the market keeps on going like this, or let me put it this way, there is no way that the market will keep on moving in one direction. There has to be a retracement, and if the market moves sharply in one direction, the fall is also going to be very sharp. So that is why that might be the reason why I am not making any adjustment. I am having all my screens across all account is in the red, but I haven't done any adjustment at all. You make adjustment, it is not going to work. The more you make adjustment, the less profit is what you are going to make. So with that perspective, I didn't make any adjustment. I can go wrong. Who knows, if the market gaps up on Monday, and maybe if it goes towards 18,000, I'm talking about Nifty, I'll be in big trouble, but we'll see what we can do. Markets are market. Anyway, Indian markets are crap, I will tell you. No use in trading in this kind of market, or this government is making this market useless. You pay high taxes, or in all type of things you pay taxes, from GST to transaction charges to SEBI charges to that and this, every kind of crap charges you pay. On top of that, broker will have some technical glitch. Even if you make profit, your broker will come out with the technical glitch and he will tell, I don't know anything. So it is very embarrassing that we retailers are in this market, and we don't have any other way other than to live with this, right? What other way? We are not filthy rich like some other people to go to Singapore or go to Dubai or go to US and open FII account and trade. We cannot do that, right? We are all normal people. We are all poor people, poor middle class people, right? How we can go to this foreign countries and open FIA account, right? So let us see anyway what is going to happen. All I will tell you is be patient. It should return, or it should retrace at least till 17,700 or 17,600 levels. So the market has run up so much. We'll see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.